Okay, well, I am in Student View, and this will be a very quick video for writing project number 5. We're going to begin with the Start Here assignment sheet. Atul Gawande, who we looked at the Start Here page for writing project 4, he makes a return visit here just to talk to us for maybe a minute or two about his thesis, the Checklist Manifesto. Checklist Manifesto, really how a checklist can serve us so well. We'll watch that, just a couple minutes of that in the interview, and it might reinforce some things that you already believe, or it might convert you 5 or 10% to his thesis. If you watch this kind of what he says in this interview, again, just like this tiny little clip. Anyways, the way that kind of we want to look at the items in this assignment sheet, which are a series of things that we want to check off, right? Again, that's why I'm pairing the video with this particular activity or assignment or page or document. Essay 5 final paper, we have the objectives, we have the topic, the due date, the sources, what we're going to read, what we're going to watch, the planning involved, and the requirements. Okay, and you can look through all of that on your own, as well as the video on your own. This is just a quick video to kind of kick us off for this module, and I'm very excited for all the ideas that we're going to explore in this unit. I think you'll really like it.